Do, but not at that angle. But I figure while it's flying, maybe you won't be able to tell.
Morning, Wes.
Good morning, bud.
So what are we doing?
A little more tail. Turn it this way. You can probably see that tail last weekend was there. I added that, and I thought it wasn't tall enough, so I added that.
Cool.
A little bit of flat carbon fiber there to strengthen it right there.
And what we do with the weight up front?
And the front, just couldn't get it far enough forward on the lips, so I added these things thinking it would help direct the air as well as give it a little bit of the...
My father used to say that's what you get for thinking.
Yeah.
Yeah,
my dad used to say, ask a stupid question, you get a stupid answer.
All right, Tim just grabs it right away. Tim's ready to go.
He's ready to fly, man.
And we'll be pausing.
We're down on the tails.
You can always hold the nose down, so if you have to, you know what I mean?
Okay.
Ready?
I think so. All right.
Keep your knees up, Tim.
What's it doing?
I think
More
the
weight?
prop is too small.
Take two.
Maybe.
Take two. Keep your knees up, Tim. Uh-oh. We switched pilots here. Okay, keep your knees up, Wes.
It's hard for me to describe to him.
Hey, this stick right here.
There's no place
makes
to
it go
grab
up
it.
and down. That stick makes it go up and down.
Come on, man. Wes, you fell for that? Come on.
It's not working.
Which one does this go? Okay, run, Wes, run.
Whoa! Boy, good save.
Wow, man. I screwed that up.
Tim, fly on the other side. Fly on the side of your good eye, Tim. You're going to the airport.
Palm tree.
Coming back this way.
Oh no.
Oh.
Whoa!
It ain't gonna do
Oh!
that hurt.
Hey, that's not that stick. This stick doesn't. The wrong stick.
Oh, is that what it was?
Yeah, the other stick.
Wes, it don't fly. I tried.
So Tim, what do you think?
It doesn't fly. There's something inherently wrong with its aero.
Would you say something?
That Steve was saying about depth perception.
Would you say something's not right?
Oh, I knew it was going to land in the palm tree.
What's he got on it? Elevons?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Tim, give me a cut.
Cut.
All right, take 3, I think. 3 or 4. Okay, take.
It only had more power when you cranked it up.
Yeah,
I don't know what take this is.
it just ain't.
Okay, we got more nose weight. This is like take 6 for the day.
600.
But it's gonna be the last.
There's no control. I got.
Try to glide it.
I still think you need
Yeah, just cut
big
the
air
power
on.
and glide it. I'll bring the power down.
More control, you need more air.
Power. Hold the nose down.
Oh!
Well, that's the last one for today, I think.
That hurt.
Cut.
Till next week, Wes. Thank you, sir.
Again next week. Sorry, guys.
More weight. More weight.
What do you think, Tim?
More weight. I don't know, man.
Bigger aileron.
It's crazy, huh?
I don't know.
A bigger rudder.
Think you need a bigger boat.